In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a discount on Shopify. By the end of this video, you'll have a working discount code that customers can apply at checkout with the value, eligibility, and schedule you choose. First, go to Shopify. Open your browser, go to shopify.com, and sign into your store's admin dashboard so you can access your settings. Next, click Discounts. On the left-hand sidebar of the Shopify admin, select Discounts to open the Discounts area where all codes are created and managed. Now click Create Discount. You'll see the discount setup page where you define how the code works. Choose the type. Select one of the three options shown: percentage, fixed amount, or free shipping. Pick percentage if you want to take off a set percent, like 10%. Pick fixed amount if you want to subtract a specific currency value, so like $5 or £5. Pick free shipping if you want shipping to be free at checkout. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the option that matches your goal before moving on. Enter the discount code, for example, save 10. Click into the discount code field and type the exact text customers will enter at checkout. Use clear, simple wording with no spaces. It's okay to use uppercase letters and numbers. Double check spelling here because this is what shoppers will type. Set the value, for example, 10%. If you chose percentage, enter the percent to discount, like 10. If you chose fixed amount, enter the exact currency amount to deduct. If you chose free shipping, you may not need to enter a value. The shipping cost will be removed automatically when the code is applied. Yet make sure the value is realistic for your margins to avoid unexpected losses. Choose products or collections. Decide where this discount applies. If you want it to work on everything, leave it as the default for all products. If you want it limited, click to select specific products or collections. Use the search or browse options to find what you need, then add them. This ensures customers only receive the discount where you intend. If you select collections, remember it will include all products inside those collections. Set usage limits if needed. This is optional but helpful for controlling redemptions. You can limit the total number of times the code can be used or limit usage per customer so the same shopper can't reuse it multiple times. If you don't need limits, leave these fields empty. If you do set a limit, type the number carefully to avoid cutting off valid orders too early. You can always come back and adjust this list later. Set the start and end date if needed. This is also optional. If you want the discount to start immediately, you can keep today's date and current time. If you want to schedule it, set a future start date and time. To make the discount expire automatically, add an end date and time. This is useful for promotions with a clear deadline like a weekend sale. Check the time zone shown on the page so the schedule matches when you expect the code to turn on and off. Finally, click Save Discount. Look for the Save button, then click it once. Wait for the confirmation banner or the discount details page to load. You should now see your new code listed in the discounts area, showing the type, value, and status. And so if the status is active and the start date is current, the discount is ready to use at checkout. If it's scheduled, it will activate automatically at the start time you set. At this point, your Shopify discount has been added and is ready for customers according to your settings. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.